For this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to add a tree drip line to a site plan. A tree drip line represents the approximate outside edges of a tree canopy. So for example, you notice that on this property, the artificial intelligence has recognized a bunch of trees. If we go and enable the layers and enable the tree drip line, all the drip lines are marked. These are recognized by the artificial intelligence. You could highlight them, change them around if you wish to do so. The other option is, let's say as part of the process, you have inserted a new tree. So we go in and we put in a new tree around here. We can select the type of tree that it was going to be. We select one of these. And knowing that the tree will grow in the future, you might want to mark the tree drip line. You select the tree drip line. And you simply mark the area that you feel is going to be the drip line area. This is used for future development of the site, and you can mark it and then print it out on your site plan as you export it out.